Hi ladies and gentlemen, good day to you and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. In this particular video, we'll be talking about this latest layer 1 trending crypto airdrop called Byte Blockchain. This particular project has been trending for a couple of days right now, and that draws our attention to it, and we decided to talk about it in this particular video and share all the latest information that you guys are supposed to know, how to get started, how to participate, and all the latest updates on the project. So firstly, if you're already in our community personally, or let's say probably in any of our social media channel, in our WhatsApp community, WhatsApp group, or WhatsApp channel, you would have gotten this information. And for those that are not here, I'll be leaving the link in the description section and comment section of this video. So just do it to get started immediately after watching this video, right? So this is the project I will be talking about. Let me just do this. Okay, so if you take a look at my screen right here, you will see that I already have it installed on my phone, which is Byte Blockchain. But before we enter the app, let me show you guys how to get started on the project real quick. Okay, so like I said, the link to this particular project will be in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just to tap on it and proceed. Okay, so firstly, let me click on it, then we'll see where it takes us to. Like I said, to join this particular project is as easy as ABC. It's not techy. Alright, so once you follow the link, this is where it will bring you to, and you click on this button that says login with Google. Then I'll tap on login with Google. Then it will prompt all your Google accounts. Then you choose the one you want to join with. Okay, let me go with this one. Alright, I've already joined this project, but just for tutorial sake, I'll just be showing you guys how to go about it, because I'm not supposed to join again because I'm already on the project. But for tutorial sake, let me just do this. So let me choose the email that I want to use for this. No, not this one. Let me choose the email that I want to use for this particular tutorial sake. Okay, let me go with this particular one. Alright, so click on continue. Then you wait for them to prompt the button for you. Okay, so as simple as this. Once you see this rolling up, just come to this three dotted line right here at this upper part of your screen. Click on it and you will see this particular place that they wrote add to home screen. Okay, so click on that, add to home screen, and automatically this particular project will be added to your home screen. That is how you get it out. They say unable to process due to missing initial state or blah blah blah. So for you, you are not going to see this because you are just joining fresh. Okay, so this is just how to add the app to your home screen, right? You tap on it, you click on add to home screen, and you receive it. So immediately they process your email, you have joined, as simple as that. Okay, so once you're done, then you come back and you will see the app in your home screen like this. So you have to do is just to tap on it and log in, then you proceed. Okay, so I believe the app will be coming anytime soon, though as at the time of making this video, the app is not yet live on Play Store, but this is just how to get the app on your phone, right? So proceed. All right, so let me just go back and sign in into my own account. Like I said, I've already joined earlier, so let me just sign in into my own account. All right, so then we can proceed and we'll see how it looks and everything we're supposed to know right here. So it's loading up. Let's give them some time. Alright guys, it's downloading up and I've already accessed my dashboard. So this is my interface right here. If you take a look at this particular dashboard right here, you see follow Telegram. So do well to join them on Telegram and follow them on Twitter. Right, so that you'll be getting first hand information in the project. So this is how we mine right here. Every 24 hours you come and tap on this mine section, it will start mining for you. Then once it's done mining, you come and click on this place that they wrote claim. Okay, so if you take a look at my interface right here, you will see that my mining has completed, and I'm just going to claim what they have mined for me immediately. So I have 263 /263. So I just have to tap on claim button right here, and they say you claim 263 0.95 bytes. All right, so if you wish, you can share it to your X or social handle, or you just have to close the button. So I have like 311 right here. They will add it to my balance and you guys will see that it will increase. So let me just refresh my dashboard and see what we have right here. So let's wait for them to refresh it up and we'll see when they add our balance. Okay, they have not added it, but it will just take a little time and they will add it. So let me just click on claim again. Okay, beautiful guys, you can see that they've already updated my dashboard, right? So you can see my balance right here has increased. Okay, so this is just basically how to operate on this particular project. Come here and tap on mine. So now that I'm done claiming, I'll just have to click on mine. So let me click on mine, and you will see that my mining has automatically started, right? So this is just how to basically operate on this project. Every 24 hours you come here and tap on mine. Once it's done mining, you tap here and claim the click the claim button. Okay, so that's it, guys. So guys, basically, sorry guys for the interruption along the line. So that's just how to go about it. Ensure you turn on your mining every 24 hours. Once it's done mining, come here and claim. Alright, so you can check on the referral section right here. Tap on the next button. This is where you will get your referral link and send it to your family and friends. So the more they are joining, the more your level is being upgraded and the more your mining is increasing as well. So you come to this particular swap button right here. That is, let me say, the most interesting thing about this project right now. So they promise that we can be able to swap these Byte tokens to USDT even before listing. So we don't really know if this is just a marketing or business strategy or they are for real. Like as it stands now, if you impute like, at least I have like 500 bytes. So let me just approximate it. Let's see what we will show here. Okay, 50, no. Let me just put like 500 bytes. So if you guys see 500 bytes already equals $390 right here. We don't really know how this is going to work, but according to them, we have to reach like level 3. Yeah, level 3 before we can be able to start swapping. So we just believe there is time for this. Maybe probably by then we can be able to swap our tokens right here and we'll see the value equivalent right here. So anyhow it goes, we'll still keep you guys posted and updated. So all you have to do is just join and make sure you're accumulating. So you click on this last button right here. This is where you will track your level. So currently I'm in level 2, heading to level 3 anytime soon, right? So that's just that. And once we hit the level 3 rank, we'll just see and watch and see how everything turns out to be. So you can still check this 3-dotted line right here and you still see other things. All right, so that's just that. You see your mining, your referrals, your swap, rank, support, their white paper. Try and go through it, and if you really want to log out or stuff like that, you can still do that. All right, so I think that is just that on this project right now. So just get started immediately with the link in the description section and comment section of this video. Start mining every 24 hours and make sure you are claiming, because if you are mining without claiming, nothing is going to be adding for you. So make sure you are mining and claiming. All right, so that's just that in this project. If you really watched to this extent, thank you guys for coming around, and also smash that like and comment on this particular post so that it will reach a wider range of people. And if this is the first time coming across our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we come around, YouTube will notify you that there's an update on our channel. Right? So with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Bye for now and stay blessed.